Unveiling the essentials, the basics of creating an online course. Introduction. Embarking on the journey of creating your own online course is an exciting endeavor that holds the potential to empower learners and establish your expertise. Today, let's dive into the fundamental steps that lay the foundation for a successful online course. 1. Define clear learning objectives. Before diving into content creation, articulate the specific outcomes you want your learners to achieve. What skills, knowledge, or abilities should they gain by the end of the course? Clear objectives provide direction for both you and your students. 2. Know your audience. Understand your target audience, their preferences, learning styles, and existing knowledge. Tailor your course content to meet their needs, ensuring it resonates with the audience you aim to serve. 3. Select the right course format. Explore different formats for presenting your content, such as video lectures, written materials, quizzes, and interactive assignments. The format should align with your course objectives and cater to your audience's preferences. 4. Create engaging content. Craft content that captivates and educates. Break down complex concepts into digestible segments. Use multimedia elements strategically and incorporate real-world examples to enhance understanding. 5. Choose a suitable learning platform. Select a reliable and user-friendly learning management system, LMS, or platform to host your course. Consider factors such as ease of use, customization options, and the ability to integrate multimedia elements. 6. Implement effective assessments. Develop assessments that align with your learning objectives. Whether it's quizzes, assignments, or projects, ensure that assessments measure the mastery of key concepts and contribute to the overall learning experience. 7. Establish a consistent schedule. Design a clear and achievable schedule for your course. Whether it's a weekly release of modules or a more flexible structure, consistency is key to keeping learners engaged and on track. 8. Prioritize accessibility and inclusivity. Make your course accessible to a diverse audience by incorporating features like closed captions, alternative text for images, and compatibility with screen readers. Ensure that your content is inclusive and caters to various learning styles. 9. Promote your course. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your course effectively. Leverage social media, email marketing, and other channels to create awareness. Clearly communicate the value proposition of your course to attract potential learners. 10. Seek and utilize feedback. Actively solicit feedback from your early learners and use it to refine and improve your course. Create surveys, encourage open communication, and be receptive to constructive criticism. Conclusion. Creating an online course is a journey of continual learning and adaptation. By laying a solid foundation with these basics, you set the stage for a successful and impactful educational experience. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of online course creation.
Hey, we're overwhelmed by your support. Big thanks to each one of you. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok for exclusive content and updates. Let's keep the conversation alive. Share thoughts, ideas, and what you'd love to see. Got questions or just want to chat? Enjoy a free consultation video call on our website. Thanks again for being awesome. Stay tuned for more. Take care, stay connected, and chat with you soon.